Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 421 Kilbourn Road in Pittsford. This home has been totally updated and is located in the prestigious golf course mecca of Rochester. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Enjoy phenomenal updated open living with a sprawling great room with a designer showcase white and bright kitchen that is top of the line. With quality custom Amish-made cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an expansive center island breakfast bar. Open to the dining area and spacious living area with recessed lighting and glass French doors to the sunroom with a tray ceiling and a wall of windows overlooking the private backyard. What an amazing space! Enjoy entertaining in the formal living room with a charming gas fireplace with a gorgeous mantel and gleaming hardwood floors. This home also features 3 spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors and 2 totally updated bathrooms, including a private primary suite with great closet space and a spa bathroom with a soaking tub, tiled shower, and double vanity, the perfect place to relax. While the finished lower level features a bonus room or potential 4th bedroom with an adjacent powder room and laundry. The space is fantastic. Enjoy the outdoors and barbecuing. From the expansive slate patio, complemented with exquisite landscaping and a scenic tree-lined backyard. Enjoy this prestigious neighborhood with charming sidewalks and the premier country club hub location of Pittsford, within walking distance to Oak Hill Country Club, Irondequoit Country Club, and the Country Club of Rochester, plus minutes to the quaint and charming village of Pittsford.
Here we are in Showing Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 421 Kilbourn Road in Pittsford, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!